Sounded like you had a fish there for a minute.
Yeah. Kind of fish I'm fishing for, you know when you got it. I don't understand it. This time last year I caught 2 flatheads out of here. I guess they're not here no more. For whatever reason. I don't understand what's different between last year and this year. Most times you throw on that far side of that bank right there, folks, you get to it. Live bait, Asian carp, they pick it right up, rub them. Nobody's figured out how to fish for them yet down here. I go down to Taylorsville and I catch Asian carp, foul hook them and cut them up into pieces and stuff. I bring them down here, I catch flatheads and everybody's like, how do you do that? You never catch nothing down here. We fish down here our whole entire life. You start fishing tournaments, you pretty much figure things out by yourself.
I always heard the swim bladder of Asian carp was real good catfish bait.
That too. I fish tournaments down there at Taylorsville all the time, catfish tournaments. So that's how I learned live dope fish. I ain't much difference between them fish down here and them fish down there. So everybody's like, oh, catfish won't bite on that. They're not. That's not in the lake. They don't care. If they're hungry, they're gonna eat. If they're not hungry, they're not gonna eat. It don't matter what you feed them. All the catfish are the same. Flats, channels, blues. If they're hungry, they'll pick it up. They'll eat.
Have a good day.